In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The foreign minister welcomes the US-Iran agreement. The Child Protection Committee holds meeting with government and partner institutions. And 8 killed in a crash of a US B-52 bomber aircraft. Welcome to our news package. It's Tuesday, the 30th of Zulhijjah al-Haram, 1447, the 26th of Juzah, 1405, and the 16th of June, 2026. The news details. Afghanistan Foreign Minister has described the agreement between Iran and the United States as a positive development while addressing regional conference of research centers of Afghanistan, Central Asia and Azerbaijan. Mawlavi Muttaqi stated that peace serves the interests of the entire region, whereas insecurity and instability are detrimental not only to regional countries but also to wider international community. The Foreign Minister emphasized that before tension and conflicts emerge on the global stage, efforts should be made to resolve disputes and challenges through dialogue and diplomacy. The Minister of Labor and Social Affairs states that the regular meeting of Child Protection Committee was held with the participation of representatives from governmental institutions and partner organizations to address challenges facing orphaned and vulnerable children and to identify effective solutions. Based on the ministry, discussions focus on street working children, returning children, orphans and children without parental care, as well as measures to improve their living conditions and ensure better support services. The news continuation. The Minister of Public Health has announced that a special session of the National Approved Medicines List Committee was convened to review, assess, and update the country's list of authorized medicines. The Ministry stated that participants discussed public health needs, national pharmaceutical standards, the organization of joint meeting with Pharmaceutical Companies Association, and the establishment of a consultative mechanism involving leading health sector specialists. And ultimately, Reuters has reported that a U.S. Air Force B-52 bomber crashed while taking off from Edward Air Force Base in Southern California, killing all 8 crew members on board. In accordance with the report, the U.S. Air Force official expressed that the aircraft was conducting a test mission when it crashed on the runway shortly after becoming airborne. That concludes today's news bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.